Magic Eraser, and Safari. So let's get started. So this is what, because the video that I'm making right now, I'm going to be publishing. So this is what hopefully the thumbnail will be for this video. So that's going to be the thumbnail for this video. So let's go into Fonto. And then you are going to tap on it, plain image, hit the white one, hit color, gizmo, please go away. Okay, so then just do any color you want. So, and then you can like do it differently. I like doing the vertical one because it looks so much better. Now, tap the top of that where the little numbers are, hit custom. Now, remember these 1280 and then 720 because those are gonna be like the thumbnail, like it's the size of it. So then what I did is I went and looked up fonts for Instagram. And I just picked one that I like, copied it, and then pasted it. So hit style, style, and then you can like underline. I like going to thick, and then I like choosing that. And then I put how to style, style, underline. Nope, not solid, thick. Okay, now here comes the sort of hard part. And all of these things that I'm using are totally free. Oh wait, I gotta teach you how to do it. So, what you do, go into Safari, look up, I don't know, let's do stars, PNG. PNG is like the GIF kind of, I don't know, something like that. And then where it has like those little cute squares. So I'm gonna get some blue ones. And I think I'm gonna get some red ones. Then go ahead and hit these red things, this like little eyeball, and then go ahead and hit the PNG one, not the JPG. So then go ahead and hit more apps so that you can go back into the next one.